Hi guys, welcome to Dev Tips. In this session we are going to learn how to display alert message when app launch in your application. So this session is for Cordova Android app. So now let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, here I have created one application called Upload. I've just now created this application. So I am going inside this application. So cd upload, and I have also added the platform. So as you can see here, platform, I have added Android platform. So if you launch this application, so what you will see is like Cordova run. Currently I am deploying this application on my real device. So as you can see here, it will take some time to launch. So now as you can see here, it's not displaying any message or anything. It's only showing the device is ready, which is a default. So now let's do some modification in the application so that we can display alert message when our application gets launched. So first go to this application, go to www, open this index.html in editor, and also make copy of this file. We need fresh one. So what I am doing is I am changing this name my.js. So I am giving the name as my.js, and now open this both the files. So all three files are here. So in this page we don't need this all the content. So if you see these all like class, then id, device ready, you will get these all things in index.js. So what we can do, this part is not usable for us, but so instead of deleting this, what we will do, here we are passing the parameter, and which comes here on DeviceReady. The simplest way is to just comment this line. If you comment this line, this whole functionality will get removed. Okay, so we are not doing any much modification in the existing code, and remember, don't do any other modification in this page, otherwise your app will be useless, because this is a file when your app get launched, this file needed for the application. So this is my file which I have created, and now I am going to do some changes in this file. So if you know little bit about Cordova, so when your application get launched, it's need one plugin called, as you can see here, this one Cordova.js, and another one is index.js. So I have created one more JS file, myjs.js. So what I will do, I will copy this line and paste here, and I will rename this file to myjs.js. And when your device gets ready, there is one method which gets called, which is document.add event listener device ready. So what I will do, I will just take this line, replace here, and I will do some modification. So I don't need this one. Instead of this, I am going to add my function. So this is my function. So what is happening here, as you can see, I am adding one event listener. Event listener is device ready, means it will perform when my device is ready. And what I am going to perform, I am going to call my function. So I have to implement my function. So this is my function. So what you have to give is function, my function, and whatever you want to display, just write inside this alert app launch. So I have done the required changes. Now let's run this application and see whether it is working or not. So I have already command, I'll just and wait for some time. So here you can see app launch, means when my app is get launched, this message will alert. And another thing, You cannot see anything on this page because I have removed all the content from the page. I have added one comments. So thank you for watching this. If you have any query, you can connect me